Hi folks, we're here at Twain Harte again. Yep, it's fish catching time. Trout. Yep, double renegade. That's a review today. Yep, Pistol Pete Plies. Double renegade. Oh folks, I've been catching a lot of small ones. And presentation is good, but nothing big. Well, I think it's time to change lure to a much bigger one. Woolly booger style. Yep. Yeah, folks. Much small, much bigger. Number 6, size 6, olive. Yep, let's get fishing. Oh, just like that. Let it drift. Whoa, this look potential. Yeah. There's fish out here. Oh, got him, got him, got him. Oh, yeah. Oh, first one. Oh, potential. Perfect. Let's see, it's a rainbow. Oh, baby. Oops. Catch and release. Oh my god. I knew it, folks. I caught one right here. Let's put another one. They're biting but not catching. Yeah, right there. Well, folks, I just missed one and it's starting to rain. Yeah, I got one. Oh, one rainbow. Rainbow. Folks, I'm keeping that one. Yeah, put it back. Yeah. Yep. 1/14 inch. That's good. Oh my god, yeah, perfect side. Oh my god. Oh, I'm having a bite. Let's see. Oh no, I missed. Oh yeah, I swallowed it again. Oh, oh no, it came out. Oh my god. Put it back, let's put it back, folks. Got him. Oh my god, came out again. It's just right the corner right there. Oh my god. Oh, I missed that. Let's see, folks. Let's see. Oh, bite. Is that a bite? Yeah, it was a bite. Oh man. This guy. Who got him? Yeah, baby. What the hell is that? Oh. Oh my god, that's the first. That's the green sunfish. Yeah. I guess I'm gonna release this one. Green sunfish, folks. Yeah. Green. Folks, I'm ending my vlog on the Pistol Pete. Yep. Look at this place. Please like and subscribe, and if you made it this far, please recommend me. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.